Are you looking for fun, simple, and creative ways to keep your kids entertained this winter? Want to make beautiful memories while keeping them busy with easy-to-do crafts? Stick around for these awesome winter craft ideas that will bring out their creative side and get them in the holiday spirit. Let's get started with some fun winter-themed activities that they'll love. What are some simple winter crafts for kids that don't require many supplies? Winter crafts don't have to be complicated or require a lot of materials. Here are 3 simple ideas. 1. Paper snowflakes. All you need is paper and scissors. Kids can create intricate snowflakes and decorate windows. 2. Salt dough ornaments. Mix salt, flour, and water to create dough and let kids shape their own festive ornaments. 3. Cotton ball snowmen. Using cotton balls, glue, and some markers, kids can make adorable snowman crafts to display at home. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're loving these easy craft ideas. What are some fun winter crafts that are perfect for holiday decorations? Winter crafts can really brighten up the season. Try these for some festive home decor. 1. Pinecone snowmen. Collect pine cones and turn them into adorable snowmen by adding buttons, googly eyes, and a scarf. 2. Christmas tree garlands. Have kids create a string of mini Christmas trees to hang on your fireplace or tree. 3. Handprint snowflakes. Using white paint, let kids dip their hands into it and make beautiful handprint snowflakes. Add glitter for extra sparkle. Make sure to check out our playlist for more creative winter craft ideas. What are some eco-friendly winter crafts for kids? If you're looking to craft sustainably this winter, these eco-friendly ideas are perfect. 1. Recycled paper snowflakes. Use scrap paper to make your snowflakes, teaching kids the importance of recycling. 2. Upcycled bottle cap ornaments. Collect bottle caps to create unique, eco-friendly ornaments. 3. Nature-based crafts. Use fallen pine cones, twigs, and leaves to create winter decorations, reducing waste while being creative. Check out more eco-friendly ideas in the description below. How do I make winter crafts fun for kids of all ages? Here are a few ideas to make crafting enjoyable for everyone, regardless of age. 1. Customize the difficulty. For younger kids, keep it simple with stickers and coloring. Older kids can try more detailed crafts like knitting or sewing. 2. Incorporate games. Turn crafting into a challenge like who can create the most snowflakes in 10 minutes. 3. Group crafts. If you're crafting as a family, make a collaborative project like a giant snowman or winter-themed mural. Make sure to check out the description for more similar videos to keep the fun going. How can winter crafts help develop kids' fine motor skills? Winter crafts are a great way to help kids improve their fine motor skills. Here's how. 1. Cutting snowflakes. The act of cutting out different shapes helps strengthen hand-eye coordination and control. 2. Stringing beads for ornaments. When kids thread beads onto a string, they improve their dexterity and focus. 3. Using tweezers for crafting. Encourage kids to use tweezers to place tiny decorations on crafts, building precision and grip strength. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun, skill-building activities for your kids. How can I store and display kids' winter crafts once they're completed? Once your kids have made their crafts, here's how to preserve and show them off. 1. Create a craft wall. Dedicate a section of your home to display their creations, rotating them regularly. 2. Use craft binders. Store flat crafts like paper snowflakes in binders with plastic sleeves. 3. Frame special pieces. Choose the best crafts and frame them as winter art to keep for years to come. See products used in today's video? Check them out in the description below. How can I make winter crafts educational for kids? You can add an educational twist to winter crafts by incorporating learning into the activity. 1. Learning colors and shapes. Create a color by number or shape recognition activity using winter-themed images like snowflakes, mittens, or snowmen. 2. Geography with snowflakes. Teach about different types of snowflakes while kids make their own. Explain the science behind them. 3. Storytelling and crafting. Have children create crafts based on a winter story or folklore, fostering their creativity and understanding of narratives. Leave a comment below and tell me which craft idea your kids would enjoy the most. Winter crafting can be so much fun for kids, and it's a great way to make memories while developing important skills. Whether you're looking for simple activities, educational crafts, or ways to decorate your home, these ideas will keep them engaged and creative throughout the season. Now get your supplies ready and start crafting some winter magic.